Hello and welcome. I love folding knives, and so a multi-tool is perfect for my little collection here. Well, is it? On the Nut and Fancy channel, he talks about this and raved about it, so I got one and I carried it for a week. And I put it in my bag, then my car, then my drawer, and here I am a year later talking about it. You can see there's not a lot of wear on this thing. It sits here and it looks pretty. I'm a tool guy. I have bespoke pliers. If I need pliers, I get my bespoke pliers, put them in my bag. If I need a knife, I have a knife on me. Scissors. I imagined the scissors would be the one thing that I use all the time. Does this even have the scissors? I just don't use this for anything ever at all. Here we go. I thought, oh, look at these big, beautiful scissors. I'll use these all the time. Guess what? I don't. I don't understand what I would be cutting with this. Again, I have bespoke scissors. I have two pairs of scissors in my workshop. I have one for sandpaper and one for cloth. So, I don't know, I have a surplus of scissors kicking around the house. And if I were like Nut and Fancy and my life were more interesting and I went on these awesome grand adventures, sure, I could see this being really handy. But I don't. So, anyway, I love it still. I like taking it out. Like tonight I took it out and I was just playing with it and looking at it. It's like something that you would collect, isn't it? It's not for value collecting. Obviously, I'm not expecting this to be any sort of investment. And for me, that's what collecting means. It means just buying something to enjoy. Like I collect wind-up toys, for Pete's sake. Just because, I think they're cool. I don't think these are going to increase in value. Go Froggy. I'm not crazy. So, shut up. Stupid frog. So, Leatherman Juice S2. Leave your comments. Tell us what you think about the Leatherman Juice S2. Is it something that you carry every day, or is it something that you find interesting? Would you buy one? Yeah, I don't know. If I look back, would I have bought this? Probably not. Probably would have used that money for something else. You can see I tied a little piece of, like Nut and Fancy, a little piece of really bright little string right here. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. I'm super excited about 2018. We got a lot going on here.